on Eastwest International Company Limited is a manufacturer and supplier specializing in baby textile products with CPC, SCI, Okotex Standard 100 and GOTS certified. We focus on the safe, comfortable, easy item to help mom and baby. We do 5 series products for baby now. 1. Baby blanket, muslin, knit jersey, fleece swaddle and blanket. 2. Baby clothes, baby pajamas, baby rompers, baby gowns, t-shirt and pants, baby girl dress, hat, head wraps, clothes set. 3. Baby bathing series product, baby hooded towel, washcloth, baby muslin towel. 4. Baby sleeping series, baby sleeping bag, baby fitted crib sheet, pillowcase, changing pad cover. 5. Baby feeding series, nursing cover, baby bib, baby burp. We would like to adjust our product list depend on the market with you. We helps many companies start a business with their brand, providing products in the supermarket, eBay, Amazon, Etsy, and their local shop. We do OEM or ODM service. No matter customized pattern, logo, package, all welcome. If you want to make something with your own brand but can't design, don't worry. Our design team can help you. If you do a small business, you can also get some products in stock to sell. We always insist on the customer's benefit first. We don't show any of the customer's info on the website without agreement. We believe only customers business well. We do well.